So if you want to get started with the Mixed Reality Toolkit, my first suggestion is to head over to Microsoft Learn. We publish a module that will help you get ready to set up your environment for Windows Mixed Reality development if you're using Unity. We also have a brief introduction to the Mixed Reality Toolkit there as well. What's really great about this module is that we provide a lot of context around the different settings that are within Unity, and we also have an exercise as well with the Mixed Reality Toolkit that'll show you how to implement one of the building blocks. Now, since the Mixed Reality Toolkit is very feature-rich, we couldn't squeeze everything into the Microsoft Learn module. So I would suggest heading over to the Mixed Reality Toolkit documentation to check out some more features and UX building blocks. That's also where you can find API documentation. And if you're an Unreal user, likewise, head over to the MRTK documentation as well, as that's where you're also going to find more information on how to get started, as well as the features that are available to you.